Check this out, the Honda HRX 217 VKA, probably brought to you by Carl's Mower and Saw. Hey, this is Honda's introductory HRX mower, and although it's the lowest in the line of HRXs, it's still packed with all the HRX features and actually maybe the right mower for your application. So real quick, you may or may not be aware or alert of all the things that the HRX series of Honda brings to the table. So let's just quickly go over them, and we'll point out what's unique about the VKA series. So first of all, the Honda HRX series features 9-inch wheels with ball bearings, rubber overmold the whole way around. So it's going to be a smoother ride, a longer lasting ride. We're not having wheels wear out. Features Honda's neck sight mower deck. This is a composite, a plastic, if you want to put it that way. Been around for 20 years, maybe even more. It is durable. The grass doesn't stick. It's lightweight. I love this deck. It allows so much versatility in how we run things. We'll point that out here in just a minute. It says the Honda GCV 200 engine. It's the largest displacement engine that Honda has on a walk-behind mower. A ton of power to run this mower deck, to run their twin blades, to ultimately get the best bagging and mulching performance you can get out of a mower. The HRX series also has the Versa Mow, the clip director attachment, or not attachment, built into it, we'll call it. It allows you to change from mulching to bagging incrementally. Every other mower, I'm either flipping a lever and I'm full on mulch or full on bag, or I'm putting a plug in and blocking the chute that goes to the bag. So, you know, honestly, that doesn't work very well where we're at in Washington State. It's wet, the grass is heavy, it's wet into June, and mulching just doesn't work well. So that's something I love about this HRX series, the fact that I can slowly increase the amount of mulch that I want to leave on my lawn. So as it dries out through the season, I'm gonna go ahead and start closing this down. But let's say I've got a rainy week in June, I might have to open it up. Okay, it's really cool to allow you that ability to flex and adjust as needed. Quick fold handle on all Honda mowers. I shouldn't say all Honda mowers, all Honda residential mowers. The commercial ones are not this way, but just a quarter turn allows me to fold the handles all the way up. Okay, look at this, it's gonna come down. This lever is gonna kind of pop right under the engine, but then it's gonna get stuck under the engine. So when you go to lift it back up, just hold this up, come back up. And there are 3 positions here that allow me to choose what height the handle is going to be best for the operator. So usually I think I'm kind of in the middle. We'll pop it there, see if that's right. Bam, handle's locked. Easy on and off bag, just lift off. Big wide opening, easy to empty. Also, this rear door is designed to direct the clippings down. So if you don't have the bag on or you don't want to mulch, grass is that tall, you got to get it cut down to size. Watch out, there might be sticks, rocks, big things in there that you don't want to hit and break your mower. But really nice to be able to do that. Let's pop this bag back on. I hit on the twin blades. I mentioned that just a minute ago. All Honda mowers feature their twin blade design. That's 2 separate blades stacked on top of each other, which cut the grass clippings shorter on the first cut. Okay, so that first cut, grass is that long, you're going to actually get 2 half-inch long pieces of grass. That's going to mulch into the ground better, leave less material for me to see. It's also going to throw into the bag better and pack more into the bag. So love that twin blade design. Really leaves a nice, clean, finished cut. All right, so what's unique about the VKA versus its siblings? One is it has a traditional zone start engine, so all I have to do to start this machine is hold this handle, pull the rope, and it's going to start. When it's cold, it's going to be surging a little bit, bouncing a little bit, it'll smooth out. That's the auto choke design. Now, remember, this has a zone start, so when I actually pulled the rope and started it, everything's going, everything's live. So I don't want to start it up on my driveway and throw rocks everywhere. I want to start it up on the lawn or on the sidewalk where I'm not worried about hitting debris and throwing it. So hold the handle, pull the rope, blade on, engine on, everything's live. When I let go, everything's dead. That means every time I empty the bag, I've got to pull the rope. But if you've got a younger kid, a teenager mowing, and you're worried about safety, it's actually probably the safest way to have a lawnmower, because they let go, they're dead. It is a little bit harder for them to start, but it's a Honda mower. They start And then Honda has their select drive on this mower, which I like this drive. It's a little funky when you first look at it, like how does this thing operate? What does this do? I have a max and I have a min. Let's back up. Let's kind of show you how this works. The further I squeeze, the faster the rear wheel drive goes. So I just like the gas pedal on my car, squeeze, and I'm faster, 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 till I bottom out. Now, where the min and max comes in gets a little bit confusing. The max doesn't mean that I'm always going to go the max speed. The min doesn't mean that I'm always going to go the slowest speed. What it actually does is adjust kind of my throttle range, how fast my 0 to 60 is. If I'm on max, my 0 to 60 is going to be pretty slow. An old pickup truck, kind of a slow ramp up. If I'm more towards this min, it's going to be more like a sports car. My 0 to 60 is snap, it's fast. So what I do is I kind of ignore that. I put it on max. Where is my comfortable hand position? And again, with this design, it's nice. It's kind of ergonomically designed to fit right on my thumbs there. Where's my comfortable hand position? Left hand, right hand. And if that's too fast, I turn the dial towards the minimum. Or if it's not fast enough, I turn it more towards the maximum. So my hand stays in the same position, but I adjust the speed that it's putting out with that knob right there. I think that makes sense. If it doesn't, leave a comment below and I'll work through how to make that more sense. So there we go, the Honda HRX 217 VKA mower. This features a 5-year warranty. It has Honda's neck sight mower deck, which actually has a lifetime warranty. It has the GCV 200 engine, plenty of power. It has the clip director allowing me to bag mulch incrementally. A huge bag, an easy start design, no choking, no priming, and a really simple to use select drive system. So check out the full line of Honda HRX mowers. I think we got the right one here for you at Carl's Mower and Saw. Hey, this is Josh from Carl's Mower and Saw. Thanks for watching our videos. We're proud of the fact that we've been serving you with the best in outdoor power equipment since 1990. We're glad that you had an opportunity to sit down, watch our videos, learn something about an exciting new product that we have, something that interests you for your property, or really how to use your equipment to the best of its ability. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow, whether it's on Instagram or YouTube. We're excited to share more information with you. See you soon.